Welcome to Best Remote Workers.
Proposal for strategic collaboration with Best Remote Workers. I hope this message finds you well. As a Canadian business owner, you're likely familiar with the advantages of outsourcing to skilled professionals from India. At Best Remote Workers, we specialize in providing highly qualified, cost-effective talent from India, offering you the opportunity to streamline operations and enhance the efficiency of your business. Our team of experienced professionals can support various business functions, including customer service, virtual assistants, IT support, digital marketing, content creation, administrative tasks, and more. We provide you with direct access to our talented team, eliminating the need for intermediaries and ensuring clear and efficient communication. What makes Best Remote Workers an ideal partner for Canadian businesses is our ability to offer access to diverse, skilled talent, professionals across a wide range of industries, from technology and marketing to finance and customer service. Cost-effective solutions: save on operational costs without compromising on quality by leveraging our talented workforce at competitive rates. Direct communication with our team: work directly with our skilled professionals to ensure smooth workflows and flexibility. Scalability: easily adjust your workforce to meet the demands of your business as it grows or changes. Partnering with Best Remote Workers means you'll have the support of highly skilled, reliable professionals who are dedicated to delivering top-quality work at a fraction of the cost of local hiring. We would love the opportunity to discuss how we can help your business grow and succeed. Please reach out to us directly via our website at www.bestremoteworkers.com or email us at customer@bestremoteworkers.com to explore how we can collaborate further. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to the possibility of working together.